I barely got heals.
I was trying, but my cooldown is so long, I can't get to you.
Yeah.
I hate
The
that.
Zenyatta was DPSing and the Mercy was pocketing Zenyatta.
Why? Even I know better than that. Oh my god, I got the Brigitte I got the Brigitte pixel spray. I don't
Wow, wow, carry, that was fast.
I know, I was like, what did I earn it for? What did I do? Let's do it again. That's funny. I think it's when we got cornered na my shield. I was trying talaga to keep the Mercy and Zenyatta alive. It's hard.
Yeah, actually, you kind of saved me on that part in the one of the final push because my barrier broke and my health was almost half, and you jumped in front of me and shielded.
I
Like
figured. Oh.
it was like the moment you jumped on me, my cooldown for the barrier just went up. So you
Oh.
bought me enough time.
Right?
You
I was
bought me enough
waiting.
time for the barrier to come up.
Oh, at least it worked. Because I was waiting. I was like, shit, if Kyle's shield breaks, no one else is gonna shield us. Protect the Orisa! I didn't realize till you said it that she wasn't helping you. I was like, oh shit, really? So I was trying to help you as much as I could. So I was shielding you na lang when I couldn't heal you.
Yeah.
But I understand now why Brigitte's made to destroy flanks. I was taking out the Tracer everywhere. And the Genji.
Yeah,
I was
yeah, because if you hit them, it's like Reinhardt, they kind of get thrown back.
Yeah, they do.
So it messes their aim.
True. And when they try to run, I have a weapon that can chase them. It's the best.
Yeah, her long range attack can reach really far.
I know. I didn't realize it could. I might have a new support. Oh my god, I only have support. Ano ba yan?
Also it pushes people backwards.
Yeah.
That particular attack.
Let's see. But Brigitte's hard. I have mad respect for anyone who can play her. Oops. Moira. Junkrat. There's no Pharaoh though. It's good. Bye, Brigitte. Why is Brigitte by herself? Mercy's on the roof. Oh, it's done.
Ready to start a blizzard.
No. Is Brigitte healing you? Why?
Embrace tranquility.
Group up here. I'm ready to start a blizzard.
Ah! No! Back up, back up, back up, back up, fuckers. Yan, tama yan.
Be one.
60 seconds remaining.
Oh no. They're in. Genji's here.
That they have one problem.
What?
The Genji and the Mercy are the ones that pocket each other.
Oh, that's stupid. Oh well. No wonder. Keep them out.
Ding
30 seconds remaining.
Experience tranquility.
I knew he was gonna try that. No!
10 seconds remaining.
We win.
Yeah, Overwatch doesn't reward you by playing selfishly.
Yeah. I have gold elims, Kyle.
Play of the game.
No, that explains this. That explains this.
Oh, look what this Trace is gonna do.
Yeah, that Tracer left the game.
Because I killed her 4 times. Oh, look at my gold medal.